Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to Agada Tantra. Here in this chapter we are going to learn some objectives such as synonyms of Agada, Tantra and what is Visha Tantra, synonyms of Agada Tantra, Ashtanga Ayurveda and aims of Agada Tantra. So let's see what is introduction. Here the word Agada Tantra is formed by union of two words, that is Agada and Tantra. So what is Agada then? So here Agada is again split into two words, A plus Gada. Here Gada means poison, means which causes death or it causes loss of function of organs. So here Gada is poison, A is which is antidote. Agada is their antidote for the poison. So here let's see synonyms of Agada then. Here, according to Acharya Amarasimha, who is the author of Amara Kosha, he enumerated some synonyms. They are Beshaja, Aushada, Beshaja Anya Agado, Jayurityapihi. So here we go. Synonyms Beshajam, Aushadam, Beshajam, Agadaha, Jayu. These are the synonyms of Agada. So next, Tantra. Tantra is a science or a treatise. Okay. Trayate Shariram Anena iti Tantram. It is a science capable of relieving the soul from the cycle of birth, life and death. It is known as Tantra. So let's see now definition of Agada Tantra. Some Acharyas has given their own way of explanation. So according to Acharya Shushruta, he mentioned Agada Tantra definition in his first chapter of Veda Utpatti of Sutrasthana. Here he defines Agada Tantra as it is intended for diagnosis and management of various poisonings such as bites of snake, insect, spider or rat, that is mushaka, etc. besides the other poisonous substance. Okay, I repeat, it is intended for diagnosis and management or the treatment of various poisoning such as with bites of snake, insect, any poisonous substance. Okay, he gives the shloka Agadatantra namam sarpakita luta मूषकादि दंष्ट्र विष व्यंजनार्थ विविध विष संयोगो upashamanartham cha. Okay, this is the definition given by Acharya Shushruta. So according to Acharya Harita, here he is the author of Harita Samhita. He defines Agada Tantra in his following words. Okay, it is a Visha Tantra. It is a science dealing with the Visha Upashamaniya Kriya, that is anti-poisonous measure in case of any sting by Sarpa or Vrishchika, etc. Okay, so let's see the synonyms of Agada Tantra. Here mainly four: Vishagaira, Vairodhika, Prashama, Damshtra Vijnana, Vishatantra and Jangali. These are the synonyms. I repeat, Vishagara Vairodhika Prashama, Damshtra Vijnana, Vishatantra and Jangali. Ashtanga Ayurveda and Agada Tantra. So here some acharyas has enlisted 8 branches of Ayurveda, and in that Agada Tantra is also one among them. So Acharya Charaka in his 30th chapter of Sutrasthana, he enlisted 8 branches of Ayurveda. Here we go. It is Kaya Chikitsa, Shalakya Tantra, Shalyapakritam, Vishagara Vairodhika Prashamanam, Bhuta Vidya, Kaumara Bhritya, Rasayanam, Vajikaranam. In that he mentioned Vishagara Vairodhika Prashamanam. Okay. So again another author, or according to Acharya Shushruta, he also mentioned Agada Tantra. So here he mentioned in his first chapter of Sutrasthana Ashtanga Ayurveda as Shalya Tantra, Shalakya Tantra, Kaya Chikitsa, Bhuta Vidya, Kaumara Bhrityam, Agada Tantra, Rasayana Tantra and Vajikarana. So and also Vagbhatam, we have come across Ashtanga Ayurveda in Ashtanga Hridaya in first year, that is Kaya Bala Graha Urdhvanga Shalya Damshra चरावृषान् अष्टावङ्गानि तस्याहु चिकित्सा एषु संश्रिता. Here कायचिकित्सा, बालतंत्र, ग्रहविज्ञान, ऊर्ध्वांगतंत्र, शल्यतंत्र, दंष्ट्रतंत्र, जरविज्ञान, वृषविज्ञान. These are the 8 Ayurveda or Ashtanga Ayurveda. And also Acharya Kashyapa also, he is a father of Ayurvedic pediatrician. He also enlisted 8 branches of Ayurveda. They are Dravya-Abhidhana, Gada-Nishchaya, Kaya Saukhyam, Shalyatantra, Shalakyatantra, Bhuta Vidya, Agadatantra, Bala Vidya. Okay. And so let's see what is toxicology then. Toxicology, here definition, it is a science of poison, their source, toxicity and their lethal dose, chemical composition, action, test and treatment or antidotes is known as toxicology. Here toxicology is derived from the Greek word toxicon, which was used as a poison substance to arrowheads. In ancient India, poisons were known. Like in Mahabharata, the Bhimasena was poisoned by his cousin Duryodhana, whom he had defeated in duel. So, okay, let's see what are the branches of toxicology. Forensic toxicology, pharmacological toxicology, clinical toxicology, regulatory toxicology. Forensic toxicology means it is dealing with the harmful effects of the chemicals on human body in medico-legal aspects. Okay, it is dealing with the harmful effects of chemicals on human body in medico-legal aspect. And what is pharmacological toxicity? Here it is assessing the toxicity of a therapeutic agents. Okay. What is clinical toxicology? It deals with the disease caused by abnormal exposure to the chemical substance. Okay, I repeat, clinical toxicology, it deals with the disease caused by abnormal exposure to chemical substance. Regulatory toxicology means it is dealing with the developing of regulation and other strategies for reducing and controlling exposure to dangerous chemical by use of scientific or research data. Here again I repeat, regulatory toxicology means it is dealing with the developing of regulation and other strategies for reducing and also controlling exposure to dangerous chemical by use of scientific or research data. Okay. So next we are going to deal with the aims of Agadatantra and its utility. It is protection of healthy individual from the poison and also management of individual afflicted from the poison. These are the aims of Agadatantra and utility.